How to clear Google Calendar of all events. Your Google Calendar is your digital planner, your schedule keeper, and your reminder of life's important moments. But what if you want a fresh start? Whether it's a new year, a new chapter in your life, or simply a desire to declutter your schedule, I've got you covered. In this guide, I'll show you how to clear your Google Calendar of all events. However, a word of caution, this is a one-way journey. Once your calendar is cleared, all your events will be permanently deleted. So if you're ready for a clean slate, let's get started. On the left sidebar, you'll see a list of your calendars. Hover on the calendar you want to clear to reveal the three dots located to its right. Click it and select Settings and Sharing. In the Settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom to see the Delete option. Click on Delete. You'll be prompted to confirm the deletion. This will permanently delete all events in the selected calendar for everyone who uses it. And this action is not reversible. There is no undo button for this. So if you're sure about it, click on Permanently Delete. After following these steps, your Google Calendar will be cleared of all events, and you'll have a clean calendar to start fresh. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.